single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
That's the lid to that pot. That's a Dutch oven. So we're gonna this one. We're gonna put some venison pork mixture in here, ground venison and pork. This is our venison and pork mixture. I forgot to take a picture inside, but it's mixed together, and it has garlic, pepper, and a little bit of chicken bouillon in. Can you smell it? Got the fire rolling. There, I thought I'd get a light so you could get a gander. Look at that goodness. It's smelling good. Humrick's hot sauce. Yep, James and Brenda made some hot sauce, and let me tell you what, it's all natural, all good, and I've been putting this stuff on things, and then I had an empty hot sauce bottle, so look at there, old school with a modern twist. The Humricks have their own special labeled hot sauce. All right, y'all, show you it cooking up. Fire's going nicely. Check this out. Tell me that ain't some goodness right there. On earth did we forget the chili powder? Yikes. Yep, about that much. Yikes. There we go. Good thing is we got it in there now. I think I got the whole neighborhood smelling good. What goes with chili but grilled cheese?